The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has officially been announced, and it's finally coming with the upgrade that we've all been waiting for, and this is going to be, without a doubt, their best foldable yet. Let me know in the comments what your most wanted feature is for the new Galaxy Z Fold 5. So first story of the day, we've got news that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is coming earlier than we expected, and this comes from Samsung themselves. TM Rowe, who is president of the mobile experience at Samsung, recently announced that not only would the launch location for the Z Fold 5 be changing, but so will the date. Now, he said that the 27th Unpacked event is actually going to be held in South Korea, and that instead of being in August, it's actually going to be in July. Well, we don't know the exact date in July just yet. The official invites are no doubt going to be delivered very soon, and it's thought that the launch has been brought forward due to increased competition in the foldable market. A couple of weeks ago, we had the leaked design of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 thanks to Onleaks and Smartprix, and they delivered plenty of information along with stunning renders and a full 360 video. Now, it was shocking to some that the design remained pretty much the same as its predecessor, and for those who didn't believe it, we've now got more info. Now, Ice Universe tweeted photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 clear protective case, and as you can see, it confirms the exact same design again. Now, when it comes to device leaks, the case manufacturers do get the CAD early in time to prepare, and given that we're so close to launch now, we can be very sure that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to look like this. Now, Ice Universe also tweeted the Galaxy Z Fold 5's outer screen protection, and this is side by side with the Z Fold 4. And again, you can see it's pretty much identical, and it looks like we're going to get identical bezels as well. Now, next up, we've got news that despite the previous rumors of it not happening, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is finally going to feature dust resistance. Chunvi tweeted to say that both the Z Fold 5 and the Flip 5 are going to be IP58 resistant, and this means water and dust resistance. While water resistance is great, dust resistance is arguably much more important, as your phone is going to come into regular contact with dust, whereas you won't often fully submerge your phone underwater. Now, the dust resistant is thanks to a new water drop style hinge, and this also allows the phone to fold completely flat, and according to TechRev on Twitter, the only bad thing about this new hinge is that it's not going to perform the free stop function as precisely as the previous hinge. Now, while there's really not much change design-wise apart from this new hinge, we're going to get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we get a new display which is going to be better and brighter than the predecessor, and of course, if the rumors are true, there's going to be no crease in the center of the display. Leaks are still reporting we're going to get a 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 10 megapixel camera system, and this is the same as the predecessor, but we are hoping to see some new and improved sensors. We've also got news of an upgrade to 25-watt wireless charging. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to be an incredible foldable phone, and it's no doubt going to help to increase the foldable market share. With so many similarities to its predecessor, it's unlikely that people are going to be rushing to upgrade from the Z Fold 4. Now, of course, now that it's been announced by Samsung themselves and launch is just around the corner, it's not going to be long until all of the confirmations come flooding in. Now, as soon as anything does, I'll be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.